So, nandito tayo sa 185 rental buildings. So, bagong building. Medyo mahal nga lang to, guys. So, ito yung lobby. Another building with basketball court amenities. Yun kasi yung top requirement ko kasi priority ko ngayon yung preference ng anak ko at sa akin basta bago yung building at ano siya, full length window, okay sa akin. Yeah, I need to record it because I have to remember
No, that's okay, no problem. You look like a professional with
yeah,
this.
because I'm not sure what's the difference. So this one is 2807. And the internet is included because I'm working
Yes,
at
the
home.
promotion is for 12 months, 1.5 gigabytes high-speed internet with Rogers. You have a nice view of the Japanese cherry blossoms.
Yeah, there's a park in front of this building.
Japanese park.
Actually, this is so nice. This is 2807. And we have the balcony. Meron naman siyang roof.
It's smart home technology, so it's included in the
At sa tapat niyan ay Square One Mall.
It connects to the door, so it's
So, smart home building.
It's also seen on camera.
One bedroom
Features
plus
solar,
bed.
and the door has a double lock feature as well.
What's this? Laundry?
So, another unit. Mas maliit to. This is a one bedroom,
So this
right?
is a one bedroom, and this one is 6'6".
Tingnan nyo. The other first one is
The first one?
more space. I can have, yeah.
Yeah, that
more
one is a
space
bigger
for the
bedroom and
bed.
living room.
So, nasa baba yung microwave.
Right by square one. So it might even be closer.
So, this is the two bedroom. Mas malaki nga siya. So, ayan yung bedroom 1 and this is the bedroom 2. Ganda oh, corner. So, ito yung master bedroom. So, kasama na yung sliding curtain. Check natin ito. Ganda ng fashion. This is 2.9. How much is
So
this?
this one is 3177.
Okay. Because we prefer the rental buildings
Yes, it's always
than the condo.
it's more secure because you have it's an all rentals, so you don't have to.
We generate our credit score via what's that?
Equifax.
Okay, self-credit.
So, maganda dito is may countertop na siya. So, no need to buy a dining table. Kasi nga, wala kaming gamit talaga. Just a bed na lang siguro. Computer table.
You just have to get insurance before you move in, which any insurance company is your choice.
We need to get.
So, this one is 3,100. Kasi nga maganda siya at corner unit. So, yung washer niya.
At 908 square feet, and the biggest is
So, meron pa tayong tingnan ng two-bedroom layout. Yeah, it's still the same. So this same price as the other one.
This one,
This is a lot bigger. See? And it is a better layout. So, 2 bathroom siya. 2 bathroom. Malaki yung walk-in closet. At ito yung view niya. Kaya meron na siyang sliding na curtain at parking lot sa baba. So, ito yung Marilyn Monroe building. Ganda talaga.
and what about 87?
Ganda. Medyo mataas lang to. This is for tall people. At least. Ganun. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah,
so this
the
one's-
amenities. Let's check the amenities.
There's another 2 bedroom.
And see what we have at the time too.
Okay. Because we're just in the same building, so... Ay, this... Ang laki nito. Siya yung pinakamalaki. So, ito yung master bedroom. Malaki yung closet niya. Ito talaga siya. So, ito yung game room. Malaki siya.
And then, oh, let me open it.
Yeah. But there's a barbecue here. Walang pool. So, ito yung building. Taas, oh.
Langit lang.
For every 2 hours.
So, this is a theater room. So, this one is a full court siya. Tuwa sila. Maganda yung ano niya, oh. Full court. Kagaya sa square. Right. So, ito yung building sa labas ng 185. So, based kasi dun sa preference natin kasi nga yung anak ko mahilig sa basketball. Kaya tinitinan namin is yung mga building na may basketball lang talaga para hindi rin kami yung mag-consume ba. Nakakapagod din kasi maghanap, nakaka-stress din, di ba? So, parang house tour na din. So far, magaganda yung nakita natin dahil 3 buildings with a basketball court. Medyo mahal lang dito sa rental. Sobra. 2 bedroom nila is 3,000 eh. No? So, ang budget namin is 2,200. So, mag-stick na lang tayo sa budget natin. Total 1 year lang naman. Saka na pag medyo stable at na-regular na tayo dito. So, ang ganda ng paligid. So, dito tayo sa Burlington. Yeah. So, may pintuan yung kanyan din. Ito ang gusto kong din. Yung meron siyang cabinet. So, ayan yung cabinet niya. Ganito kalaki guys. Kasya yung buong bed. pala ko ano.
So they kind of go, you can either fully black out or
Mas
you can
malaki
just
yung
kinda have
kanyang-
it similar to this. We did them two-sided, so if you open the window, like if you only want one up and
So
one down.
ganito
then it's
kalapad.
choice.
Malaki siya
So we
ah.
did for here, and this is the main
This is
bedroom,
the primary bedroom.
and it has a full bath.
At 5th floor tayo. So ito yung
Full
view.
bathroom in there, so he can. With the other one, they had a single bed and a desk. So it kind of depends how you want to furnish it. So your internet is in here, the modem
Yeah,
is already
this is
connected.
already included, right?
Yeah.
The internet.
Yeah. Because we're doing this.
Also the
And-
parking.
So ito yung sala. Let's check the balcony.
They have like 4-year warranty on them.
Ganda ng balcony. Ito yung balcony. So, gusto ko yung ganito kababa para mas safe sa anak ko. So, ayan siya guys.
They're gonna do some landscaping.
Sakto lang yung balcony niya.
To the side, they're gonna be
Maganda to. Mayroong siyang
go
roof.
out. Is in here that will be changed in the next couple of weeks. Has not been lived in. The other
Maybe the desk
the
there.
other client we
And
have,
TV
we wanted to
is out.
rent it as of August 1st, but we're looking to rent it here. And all the appliances, like I said, if you would start using them and there's a problem with them, the builder, you can either do here or you can do here. Anything or somewhere there where it has a, but I think you might be, which is, like my husband so far is LinkedIn, but you copy, my husband will have a copy, and then you guys can set up, we can set up different codes, so getting in will be via code. Based on your car, if you have a second car, papers outside will be installed. But we didn't want to put it out.
So, brand new unit siya. 2350 including the internet and parking. So, ito yung lobby niya. Ayun. So, hindi natin nakita yung basketball court amenity sa taas kasi naka-close. Naka-close. Hindi tayo makapasok. Yung party room. So, yan. So, maganda yung building kasi brand new. Ito talaga, kasi nga kung magkaka-job offer sana kami dito sa Burlington, talaga definitely dito talaga kami mag-rent, magli-lease. Ayan, nasa taas. Ito, 5th floor, nandyan yung basketball court. Hindi natin nakita kasi nga, nakasara siya. So, yun lang guys. At least nakita na natin yung ganda ng building. Iba talaga kapag nakatira ka sa bagong building. Maganda. So, ayan yung mga environment niya. Neighborhood. So, ito guys yung building. At nandun sa taas yung 5th floor. Yung gitna na yan, nandyan yung basketball court at party room. Sayang di natin nakita. Pero maganda siya. Balcony. Balcony room. So, ito na nga. Dito tayo sa Burlington. At chinek natin yung Powell Common. So, 2,350. Mura na yun ha. Kasi kasama na yung parking at wifi. Yung private network mo. Private wifi. At meron siyang basketball court. Yun lagi yung requirement namin para dun sa bata. At ito yata yung school, no? Alton Catholic. So, tahimik din dito, parang sa London. Residential na residential yung dating niya.